Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. New day, new tumbler project. This may not look like it's going to be a tumbler project, but it is. Now, over on the other channel, I played with this kit that I got off of Amazon. I did it after I saw Anthony Crammon play with a similar marbling kit that he got off Amazon. If you want to see what that's all about, I'll link to this video below. We did some paper marbling, believe it or not. It went like this. This was the very first one I tried. This was the second one. And so each progression got a little fancier in terms of actually marbling. And it occurred to me, could I do this on a tumbler? Now, we already use the Marabou Easy Marble paints, or I do anyway. There are other paints out there for marbling. There is also Magic Marble swirling paint, same basic premise, but those are different. Those work in buckets of basic tap water. This kit works on the principle of the old paper marbling, which is that you need thicker water for the paint to disperse on top of. And they include carrageenan powder, which is basically, I believe, a ground up algae that thickens the water when it's mixed in with it. The kit I bought included 8 packets of carrageenan powder, more than enough to mix up probably more than a gallon of water. All I need is enough water to fill a container that's deep enough that a tumbler can go down completely under the surface of the water. I got this little pail at Walmart, and I'm going to use these little wine glasses, and they supplied a ton of paints as well. So this was a great kit. It would be easier for you to see the paints if I had a white background. So I'm going to see what happens if I put a white plastic bag in here. Theoretically, it should also make cleanup a little easier. Don't know about that, but here we go. Okay, so I have 3 more cups of the liquid here that I mixed up back when I originally did this on the other channel, and that was, I think, more than a month ago now. So I just wanted to show you that because this stuff, you can mix it up ahead of time, mix a whole bunch up, stick it in your refrigerator, and it lasts at least a month. I mean, it's not moldy, it's not growing things, it doesn't smell funny, it's the same thing. Okay. Let it disperse. And it does. It takes it a bit, but it does. Brilliant. Oh, fudge. Oh, fudge. It's always something, isn't it?
It's always something.
This is our violet. Okay. I'm tired of waiting. That is pretty spiff. Does it look like a rainbow? No. Do I like it? Yes. That is so cool. I'm impressed. I'm very happily impressed. Okay. Most of the red from the last batch we did is on the plastic bag. So I'm going to do some more random things this time. Very cool. Very, very cool. interesting. Just want to try something a little different with that one. I ended up with quite the line there, but it's almost kind of cool. Almost. All right, I'm going to let these dry and then we will come back and assess them. Okay, we're back. So I taped these up again and I put a layer of KS Liquid Stone Ultra UV resin on them, and into that I did indeed put some Marabou Rainbow Alcohol ink, and I also put in just the merest hint of 504, which is an ultrafine rainbow iridescent from Mr. Nola's Glitter, and these turned out so pretty. Now I'm going to take you out in the sunshine and show you that shot, of course. I just think these turned out so pretty. Unfortunately, the best part of each of the three designs is what's on the bottom. So, you know, there's that. But still, I really, maybe I shouldn't be amazed, but I'm amazed at how beautiful these look. This is intended for paper marbling. Obviously, it has some drawbacks. Some of the ink runs because I had to hold it like this to let it dry. And so some of the colors ran a little. But man, I mean, I'd put this up against Easy Marbles and I think this would win. Here's the next one. This was all neons. I didn't bother trying to do rainbow. I don't know what happened here exactly. That was too bad. Maybe I bumped it against something. But the rest of it looks beautiful. And of course the bottom is very pretty. And then the last one we did, which I did kind of a weird dip with. So when it dried, some of the blue, obviously the blue is the issue here. The blue really runs after the fact. I like the way it looked initially, and I don't mind this either. And then here's the bottom. That's almost too much on the bottom of this one. I just think these are gorgeous. I'm really happy with how this turned out. From a paper marbling kit on Amazon. Who knew? Stay safe, everyone. I'll see you in the next video. But don't go away.